So guys, I know excited kayo dito sa bagong phone na nilabas ni Realme, and it's the Realme 10 Pro. There's two variant na lalabas, the Realme 10 Pro and Realme 10 Pro Plus. And I do hope na mahawakan din natin yung 10 Pro Plus. Dahil si 9 Pro Plus, I can remember, sinabi ko sa inyo lahat na the camera is definitely one of the best na nilabas ni Realme ever dito sa local industry. So quickly unbox na natin to all new Realme 10 Pro after this quick intro. Hey guys, ako pa si Rich mo na Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And this is the unboxing of the Realme 10 Pro. So, buksan muna natin itong Realme 10 Pro. And it's a 5G ready na phone with the Realme logo down here. And sa kabilang side, the print is Realme 10 Pro 5G. And on the other side, it's a big Realme logo. Some of the specs you need to expect: 120Hz of screen refresh rate, Snapdragon 695, 108MP camera, and 5,000 mAh battery supporting up to 33 watts of fast charging. Buksan natin. So, tanggalin natin takip. Okay, as usual, hey, welcome to the Realme family. May maliit na sleeve bumungad sa'yo. Let's embrace a new journey. Meron tayong SIM ejector tool, user guide, and a frosted black jelly case. We have here is the Nebula blue color. Ganda. Pag tinamaan siya na ilaw, kita mo parang may wave siya dito. Nag-iiba siya. Nagbabago ka ng color, no? Ang kanyang combinations between blue and white or silver. So, ganito itsura niya. Pag kinabit mo yung case, nawawala yung kanyang ganda sa likod, no? So, I would prefer na transparent na case or probably walang case at all. Some other stuff inside: Type-C cable and a 33 watts na Super VOOC charger. So, let's have a quick phone tour. Sa ilalim, loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and audio jack. Sa likod, ng kanyang 108MP na dual camera setup. On the side, kita natin there's the fingerprint scanner and of course, the power button plus the volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, there's just the noise cancelling mic. And on the other side, it's just simply the SIM tray. Sundutin lang natin SIM tray. Kita natin it's a hybrid one. So either go for 1 nano SIM and isang micro SD or 2 nano SIM na 5G. Sa ibabaw, kita natin ang kanyang earpiece. So, hawak na natin guys itong phone ni Realme 10 Pro. I can say ang ganda ng kanyang color, no? This is probably yung color niya, makita mo mag-shift siya, no? A little bit of the white and the baby blue na color, sky blue. It's definitely refreshing. Lalo na kung hindi nilagyan siya ng casing, no? Ganda. And this one will be coming out in 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Definitely, it's more than enough for me. So one of the things na gusto ko siya is expandable pa rin siya. So you can put additional storage here on your SIM card tray. And of course, nandito pa rin ang kanyang audio jack. Pakita natin yung kanyang camera bump is, well, probably yun ang the real in thing these days. Dalawang camera module. Actually, medyo nawawala ng third camera, no? Of course, having the third camera would be a plus. Now, one of the highlights dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang main camera. It's a 108MP na main camera sensor. And this one is a Samsung HM6 sensor. Meron siyang hypershot na imaging architecture. So, meron din siyang sleep photography. And it comes also with a 2MP na depth sensor. Sa harap niya, there's a 16MP na front-facing camera, which is a punch hole. Definitely a plus. So, one thing na mapapansin mo dito sa phone na ito, the side bezel is so thin. Imagine, it's just 1mm on both sides. And yung ilalim niya, no? Hindi naman super nipis, but for me, it's definitely a winner ang kanyang screen. And one thing na gusto ko rin dito sa phone na ito, for a mid-ranger, 94% ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio, meaning almost perfect, almost bezel-less. Except siguro nandiyan pa yung kanyang punch hole. This phone is being powered by the Snapdragon 695. Definitely, it's just your average na mid-ranger chip. Of course, alam naman natin si Snapdragon 695 has its own limitation, lalo na sa pagkuha ng mga video. Some of the other things na gusto niyo malaman, I guess this one has stereo speaker and side-mounted ang kanyang fingerprint scanner as well. And upon using this for just 1 week, I can see sarap niyang hawakan sa kamay na. I was really blown away and I was really happy using this phone. Kasi one of the lightest na meron ni Realme and yung camera is not bad. Of course, we know that it has limitations sa kanyang video, but it doesn't stop there. Yung kanyang photo is something that I'm really proud to share to you. Here's some sample snaps. If you want to know more about the Realme 10 Pro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang full review ko dito sa Realme 10 Pro. With that said, ako pa si Ritwan and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?